Aksyon! Balita!
Ayong buntag kanatong tanan. First of all, sa atong mga bisita, welcome to the province of Negros Oriental. We are happy and honored that the launching of the Safe NIR Dial 911 program is being held here in the province. This is an important program and we are all glad to be part of this milestone of the Negros Island region. Public safety is one of the basic duties of government. Before we can speak of progress, tourism, livelihood, and development, people must first feel safe in their homes and their communities. This is why this program matters. It is in an emergency. The first few minutes are very important, but many times the problem begins with confusion. Kinsa man ato ang tawgan? Asa man ta modlagan? Kinsa man ang mo-respond? Sometimes a family calls the barangay. The barangay calls another office. And another agency still has to be contacted. By the time the proper response is organized, valuable time may have been already lost. Safe NIR Dial 911 seeks to address that problem. It gives our people a number they can remember and a system that government can build around. Whether the concern is a crime incident, a road accident, a medical emergency, a fire, a disaster, or any urgent situation, our people deserve to know that they can be helped and can reach without confusion. But this program will only work if our coordination on the ground is strong. The police cannot do it alone. Our LGUs, barangays, rescue units, health workers, fire personnel, traffic responders, force multipliers, and community leaders must know their roles and move together when help is needed. For our people, this program also carries a simple reminder. Please use 911 properly. This line is for real emergencies. Every prank call, false call, or careless use of the system can delay help for someone who may be in real danger. So today we thank Police Brigadier General Romano Cardino and the Police Regional Office, Negros Island Region, for bringing this initiative forward. We also thank Police Colonel Timar Alam and the Negros Oriental Police Province Office for their continued service to our province. To our police officers, before I continue, I would also like to acknowledge hapit na human, ako aday kauban pagtrabaho, who also made the speech kanina. Sometimes usahay kung wala dire, dili ma-mention ako apong, he is also a very action man when it comes to peace and order in partner dire sa province. Nice, none other than Vice Governor Fritz Diaz. Ato pakpakan si Vice. I would also want to say this clearly. All of our work is not easy. The police is often called during the most difficult moments in the lives of our people. In those moments, your presence, discipline, and professionalism make a real difference. To our LGUs, barangays, responders, and community partners, thank you for doing your part. A good emergency response system is not built in one office alone. It is built through constant communication, cooperation, and readiness. And to our communities, let us support this program by using it responsibly and by trusting the system that is being put in place. Today, we launch a program that is simple in purpose, but very important in effect. When our people need help, they should know where to call, and government should be ready to respond. For Negros Oriental, we will continue to work with our police, our local partners, our communities, to make our province safer, more prepared, and more responsive to the needs of our people. Again, kaninyo tanan, congratulations NIR for this new program na Dial 911. And again, daghang salamat and may God bless the province of Negros Oriental and of course the whole NIR region.
Aksyon! Balita!
Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.